So today we are going to practice what we have learned in the previous videos in R itself. So now we are going to discuss about packages. Okay. So what are packages? So we have discussed in the previous video that what happens is that suppose you have a mobile phone and you have a basic camera app. Okay, it will do most of the photo editing stuff. But if you want to go at another higher level, then you have to install a different app on your phone. Packages is something like does have a similar concept in R, that R has most of the basic functionalities. But if you want to go even at a higher level, then you can install these packages. You can also call them mobile apps, but these packages from the internet. What you have to do is you don't have to go anywhere for this. You have a package. For example, I am using Stringer here, which is used to manipulate character data and means strings. Actually, character is also called strings in Python and different languages. So it is called stringer. So I will use this command install.packages, and within bracket I will mention the package name in quotes. And now let's run this. Now the package will run, and this will keep coming like this. A lot of things will keep happening. It is actually installing the package and everything. Let it install. Now we have see, you can see here that we have got the command line back. That means the package has been installed. Okay, it has also told you the source location where the package is installed. Now, although package has been installed, you have to open the package in R to use it. This kind of similar thing like you have installed the app in mobile, but to use it you have to open the app. So to open the package you have to use a library command. Okay, library function, and then you will mention the package. Since the package is already installed, you don't have to mention it in quotes. So now it will say, okay, library stringer R that has been run. Now what I want to do is just an example to show you how packages are working. I will use a variable xyz to which I will assign this data. Hi, I am Shruti. Now what I want to do, I want to change this Shruti to another name, for example, Selena. So the stringer package offers a function which is very easy, that you use str underscore replace, and then you mention the variable, and after that you mention what you want to replace in that variable and to what you want to replace it to. Okay, so let's run this. XYZ will give us uh, hi, I'm Shruti. Okay, but if I replace, now let me print XYZ first, and what you will get is hi, I'm Shruti. Now what will I do? I will replace Shruti with Selena. Okay, so it has changed it. Hi, I am Selena. I have a package ggplot2. I have used it a lot of times. So I will open this package as well, and let's use it. It's really fun to use. Now I have open ggplot2. Okay, now I have told you first that data frame can be made in two ways. One is you mention the variables which contain the required vectors. Other thing is you already create the variables with the vectors. For example, before when I was working with the vectors, with the data frame, I have mentioned name and then I have mentioned the vector that the name column will be assigned to. Now what will I do? I will create a variable outside the data frame. Here I have created five variables: ID, employee, city, country, and salary. Okay, each variable is actually referring to different columns. And now I will create a data frame. EMPL underscore data, it's like employee data frame. Now I will mention this is the column name I want, and the variable name will be this. Okay, so suppose I have a name column to which I will assign employee, location column to which I will give city. And now let's print this data frame. Hmm. Oh, sorry, I have not run this variables first. Sorry, I have to run this variables first. Remember that you have to run the commands first to make it happen. Then I will run this. Okay, so now this is the data frame which I have got. Now you will see whatever column name we wanted, like ID in capitals, name, location, country. We have given that. You can also give the same name as your variable. That's up to you. Now let's make a plot. Okay, ggplot is actually famous for plotting and graphing. So here I will do ggplot2. Within brackets, I have to mention which data frame I want to work with. Along with data frame, you have to tell what axis do you want. Okay, the so it is given by AES, and within brackets you have to mention that x-axis should be employee and y-axis should be salary. Okay, now let's not do this. Employee cannot come. Name and instead of salary, I will say package. Okay, this is geo underscore and that after that we will close the brackets. This is the basic that we will get. Okay, now let's run this afterwards. Now what will happen if we just run this command? Okay, so actually ggplot2 was a package name. I have to use a function ggplot. Okay, now it has actually given me a plot with name and package, but since I have not mentioned in which form do I want the graph to be in, so what I will do is, now I will run this. You will add this another let's say point, not point. This is another thing you have to add by using ggplot, that what kind of plot you want. Okay, so this is the basic thing that you have mentioned, the data frame you want to use and the axis. So they have been found, but in what form you want the graph, you will add a plus sign and then you will tell which in which form you want the graph in. So in for that you have to use the function geo underscore point to form a scatter plot. Okay, now let's run this and see, you have got the scatter plot. You have different points here. For example, I want a box plot. Now then what will happen? See, the function is already come in box plot. So I will run this and see, now it is coming like this, but I think I have to do the fills and all, and it will again take a lot of time. To know more about ggplot2, you just can go onto its documentation site, or there are so much data on Google that you can use to change the fill and use line graphs, and the axis you want to change in any way, you can change that too. Okay, so this was about functions today. That's all for today. If you liked the video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.